affected by a game, but Mapua is trying to creep up into that Final Four picture. JRU trying to do the same and salvage this season. Martin Navarre kasama si Shola Alvarez dito sa ating laban with Julia Ong as our courtside reporter for both teams. Inay Laurente will be the one serving it up here. Fran Garcia starts us off in scoring here with a swing. She had 15 against EAC. Ito yung inaabangan natin mula sa Mapua.
And a good first attack galing sa kanya.
Ito kahit rookie. Itong si Frian Garcia, hindi takot kumarga sa mga atake niya.
Yeah, yun yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, Martin, na malalakas yung loob ng mga bata ngayon.
That's right. Ruiz. Hey, Ruiz this time from the other side. Sarado ang pintuan. It is a kill block for the Lady Cardinals. At ito yung isa sa mga weapon nila against EAC. 7 kill blocks. That time it comes from Nicole Ong. So yan yung kailangan. Maaga pa lang ma-figure out nitong JRU.
I'm very excited din makita kung paano pinag-aralan ng dalawang koponan yung bawat isa. Kasi kung ako na naglalaro sa JRU, yung blockings nila, kailangan mag-isip kami ng mga magagandang play. Para syempre, hindi mabasa yung attack sa...
Katulad nun.
Yes.
Combination play agad.
Yes.
Ang ipinakita nitong JRU. Laika Higuera ang pumuntos. But that time, it is a service error for Patara. Yan yung hindi nila pwedeng maibigay dito.
Yes.
Although, ang maganda sa JRU Shola, nalimitahan nila yung mga errors nila. Ito just 18 in 3 sets against the Tribe. Ang sagot dito, service error din mula naman kay Frian. So the captain of the Lady Bombers, May Ruiz, starting up the rally. Frian, Trixie getting to it, difficult take. Chance ball, JRU. Pinailaliman ni Kayla Hazareno yung bola doon.
But good intention there for Kayla. Kasi nakita niya na wala nga namang tao dun sa corner na yun.
Target malino, yun yung tinatarget niya kasi walang tao. Sumobra lang. Nicole Ong to serve. Number 1 in the league when it comes to kill blocks. Tip is pushed up. Reka Blanca. Dagat by Laurente. Itatawid ni Hazareno. And the Lady Cardinals on the attack. Babiera. Too strong, but there's a check. Babs with a point.
Binabantayan din talaga ng middle blocker na tong JRU Lady Bombers. Kumbaga parang mata sa mata niya tinitignan
Correct. Ooh! Ong sending that one straight to the net. Nahuli lang kanina itong si Pat Del Pilar sa atake ni Babiera. JRU. 3 serving 5. Laika Higuera. On deck. Rebustes. Reka Blanca. That one was deflected. Hazareno. Bumalik. Yan Alonia keeps it up. Higuera from the back this time. Reka Blanca. Pinalobo na yan. Reka Blanca uma-adjust sa blockers. That is sent back. The ball is still in play. Dug up. Ooh! A point for JRU.
Ang ganda nung naging discard ni May doon. Kasi nakita niya na yung setter nasa area na yon. So, kapag tinarget niya kasi yung setter, automatic mawawala ng play itong Mapua Lady Cardinals.
Kasi siya yung kukuha nung unang pasa.
Yes.
De La Cruz. Oh, what a save by Ruiz. Hazareno. Ito yung unang pasa. Oh, combination. Inangat ulit ni Ruiz.
Oh.
But they can't save it on the second ball. Mapua with a 2-point advantage, but good effort defensively mula sa magkabi ng Panig.
Yes. And nakikita natin yung effort ng mga players na gumawa talaga ng play para lang malito yung mga blockers ng kalaban.
So early on, first few rallies natin, ganun agad yung nagiging tema natin. Higuera. Gohol. Back set. JRU goes to Hazareno, who puts it down.
Nakita ni Kyla na maliit lang yung blockers niya dito sa line. And malaking opportunity yun para sa kanya na makakuha ng puntos.
Lumusot yun. Nahuli rin ng talon itong si Trixie Gohol.
Yes.
Pat Del Pilar. Ooh, nice serve.
Oh.
And that's an ace for Del Pilar.
Wow, nakakatuwa naman makita si Pat. Kasi I remember lang nung nakitraining ako sa JRU na si Coach Mia pinupush talaga siya na mag-hard serve. Yes, kasi dumating siya sa JRU nang yung serve niya pinapasok niya lang talaga.
Oh, eto dalawang sunod na ace. 2 aces from Del Pilar. So nagbubunga
Yes.
yung training nito ni Pat Del Pilar.
I'm sure happy si Coach Mia na makita na nag-i-improve si Pat.
That's one of the middles nitong JRU on the hard serve. Another one! 3 straight aces for Del Pilar will bring us to our first technical timeout. JRU ahead by 2. Pagbalik natin, unang report po ni Julia Ong.
Good day, sports fans. This is Game On, the very first sports podcast of GMA. Brought to you by GMA Regional TV and Synergy and GMA Digilab. My name is Martin Javier.
Half minute left. Shot clock is down to 4. Manalini. Kaboom!
Let's talk about anything and everything about sports. I am Coach Hammer Martin Antonio.
Ang pinaka-key to be a very good shooter, to be able to score, is repetition.
Makakasama din natin ang inyong mga iniidolo.
Pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Naging mabigat man ang magkasunod na pagkatalo ng JRU Lady Bombers, tiwala si Coach Mia at Joseco na makakabawi sila mula rito. Kaya naman composure at higit sa lahat kumpiyansa ang gusto niyang makita mula sa mga ito. Sa panig naman ng Mapua Lady Cardinals, meron pa daw silang maganda pang mas ipapakita. Kaya naman, magandang ipapakita, kaya disiplina naman at to play smart ang hiling ni Coach Aying Esteban mula sa players niya. Your thoughts, Martin and Shola?
Maraming salamat. Miss Julia Ong, thoughts from both of our coaches. Sa JRU, yan talaga yung kinakailangan nila. At mukhang pinapakita nila yan dito in at least the early moments of set number 1, yung kumpiyansa at tiwala sa sarili. But on the other side, for Mapua, ito si Coach Aying, syempre yun yung, especially in the games that they lost so far. They've lost so far. They had chances to win. Kung meron lang silang disiplina at composure, papunta sa dulo ng set.
Malaking bagay din yun para sa isang player na yung composure mo talaga. Kasi minsan, may mga times na mawawala ka talaga sa loob ng court. Pero kung may composure ka, kaya mo ding ibalik agad yung sarili mo.
And that is expected. Ito ni Coach Aying sa kanyang, well, mostly veteran na teams. Ang rookie nila, yung dalawa nilang spiker na si Rica Blanca at saka si Garcia. Meantime, for JRU, they're ahead by 2 here in the first set. Rica Blanca has been getting the attempts here but just unable to connect. Ruiz! Popped up. What a dig by Rebustes. Back attack. Too strong for De La Cruz. 3-point lead for the Lady Bombers. So ito na ang JRU looking like a revitalized team, at least here in the opening set.
And makikita mo rin, nakangiti sila. I mean, nag-e-enjoy sila sa game nila today.
Iba yung energy, ano?
Yeah.
Saka body language ng JRU.
Yeah.
Meantime, De La Cruz bumawi with the help of the net.
Good adjustment from De La Cruz.
I don't think it was intentional, but she'll take it.
Big help, net.
Feeling ko pareho rin yung target niya, yung gitnang
Yung
yun.
gitna.
Nice serve by Babs. May Ruiz on the approach. Oh, Roxy keeps it alive. Garcia. Laurente, the quick to Badara. Kring Batara with the conversion from the middle.
And good play by Laurente. Kita niya na mas, kumbaga, may mga spikers din kasi na makita lang nila yung setter. Kung tignan lang nila sa mata yung setter nila, alam na nila kung ano yung set na gustong i-atake nung mga middle attackers niya.
Oh, Aguera gets rejected by Nicole Ong. And that is why she sits at the top of that department, blocking. Nicole Ong, single coverage.
And talagang makikita mo kay Ong na binabantayan niya talaga yung mga tao niya. Diba?
Napakagaling. Tumiming at yung kamay ni Nicole sa itaas ng net. Gohon. Speaking of Nicole Ong, this time scores on a power tip.
Kita niya walang tao dun sa gitna. And naka-ready yung defense nitong JRU. Nakita niya na naka-ready dun sa likod.
Yeah. Naka-atras yung depensa ng Lady Bombers. Oh, Batara. Oh, again! Nicole Ong with 3 straight points for Mapua. It's another kill block for her.
Basang-basa na ni Ong itong set ni Laurente. And alam niya kung saan din papasok yung mga attackers ng Lady Bombers.
Yeah. Nakabawi na ang Mapua dito. Lalong isip. Difficult first ball. And here comes Mapua. A chance to take the lead combination for Frian Garcia.
Good play there.
What a hit. And that allows Mapua to take the 1-point lead. It is a 4-0 run for the Lady Cardinals. Pakinggan natin si Coach Mia.
Di pwede, girls. Puro errors eh. Okay? Ikot tayong isa. Okay? Hinga. Kanina sila yung gumagawa ng errors. Ngayon tayo naman yung gumagawa ng errors. Okay? Ikot tayo. Okay? Tapatan mo, Kring, nandun lang yung ano. Tulog mo lang. Okay? Akin na naman! Ayusan! Ayusan!
Coach Mia. Check na sila dito. Neto ni Nicole Ong.
And I'm sure pinag-aralan din ni Ong yung mga attackers ng JRU Lady Bombers.
And speaking of attacking, Frian Garcia completing the 4-zip run netong Mapua Lady Cardinals to take the lead. Better first ball. Back set, Ruiz. Abang na yung double block. Deyala. Diretso kay Basbas. Garcia puts it down.
Ang ganda nung silip ni Garcia. Kita ko siya dito na tinignan niya talaga yung line.
Ano to? Frian guiding it down the line. Yeah. The rookie with another point. Fearless on these attacks. Deyala, speaking of rookies. It's a free ball. Paano didiskarte? On JRU, they go to Ruiz. And why not? She breaks through the blockers. Kailangan yun ng JRU, Shona.
Yes, and as a captain, kailangan niya din talagang mag-lead para dito sa Lady Bombers. And umpisahan na magkaroon ulit sila ng magandang atake.
You've been a captain on this team. At alam mo na ikaw talaga yung kailangan mag-lead. Dahil susundan nila yung mga gagawin mo.
Yes, and also si Coach Mia, lagi niya din talagang kinakausap. Yung mga nagiging captain dito sa Lady Bombers na talagang kayo yung mas inaasahan ko.
Pero dito sa kabila, Frian Garcia, pagkabilang side natin, pumupuntos. Sensational so far in the first set. Now she comes from the back to serve. Inday to Ruiz. Gohon. Uy! Miscommunication with Nicole Ong that time. There is Dolly Verzosa. Also a former Queen Bomber. An awardee here in the NCAA. Right beside her, nandyan si Coach Larry Sioco. Ang coach ng men's team ng JRU naman. Ooh! Too strong. Too wide left yung serve na yun ni Ruiz. So 15-13. Mapua maintains the 2-point lead. It is Nicole Ong. Ito, karagado mag-serve to. That's a sharp one. Oh, kinaliwa ni Pat. What a dive by Nicole. Rica Blanca. Tracked down by Laurente. Here comes Hazareno.
Oh. Ganda ng atake ni Kyla doon. Kita niya na hindi dikit itong blockers ng Lady Cardinals. Open na open yung gitna. An easy point for her.
Ganda nung palusot doon.
Actually, hindi power yung atake niya eh.
Yeah.
Talagang nakita niya lang na may butas sa gitna. Kaya din niya lang pinadaan.
De La Cruz. Ruiz dives. Hazareno. Andun si Gohol. Garcia. Over to Rica Blanca. Nadi-depensahan dito si Raisa so far. Gohol. They move to De La Cruz. Who catches the line. And we go to our second technical timeout. This time it's Mapua up by 2.
Ito, sa Game On Podcast, we can absolutely talk about anything. We can have lengthy conversations, meteor conversations.
Palitan and mas maraming chikahan.
That's right.
And I think it's only right because, I mean, first of all, special thanks goes out to everybody who tunes in and watches the show. We have been fortunate enough to have been recognized by Trinity, by Anak TV. So I think it's only fitting that after we have received those awards,
Sir Frank Guzzi Jr., our chairman of the volleyball competition and the Mancom representative ng Perpetual. O, diba? 1 minute nakababad kay Sir Frank yun. Siyempre, chairman ng volleyball eh. We're back to live action dito po sa loob ng Phil Oil Eco Oil Center. Martin Javier with former NCAA MVP Shola Alvarez. Kita niyo naman yung litrato namin dyan. May aangas pa ba yan? Di ba nawala na?
Sayang.
Sayang. Picture pa dapat. 16-14. Mapua turning things around here in the opening set. And Rica Blanca, sabi niya, hindi ako makakakuha mula sa mga spike ko. Pupuntos naman ako mula sa serve.
Yes, may ibang, kumbaga may ibang department naman. Ang volleyball, na pwede kang makatulong. Kung hindi ka makatulong sa atake, may defense and also serve.
Dito. Back-to-back aces of the technical timeout for Raisa Rica Blanca. Laurente crashing to the side here. She's limping. It looks like she's okay. Papagpag lang yan. Ako, masakit yan.
Mali ata yung tama ng tuhod niya.
Oo. Tama dun sa sa border. Sakit din, solid.
Kaya niya, hinahawakan pa rin niya hanggang ngayon.
Ako, masusubukan. Itong kanilang batang setter na si Rosario. Replacing Laurente. Del Pilar. De La Cruz. Rosario. This time choosing Hazareno. Basbas. Dinala kay De La Cruz. Difficult take. Alonia. Keeping it in play. Double contact. Ang tinawag dito sa JRU. Mapua with their biggest lead in the first set. 19-14. Meantime, we go to another timeout. Si Coach Mia ang tatawag.
Tayo. Okay, kung anong komportable mong itapon yun yung sabihin mo sa spikers mo. Okay? Hey, hindi pwede ganun. Tara. Easy ball. Okay. One good pass. Okay? Tara. Tayo.
Ano kayang pakiramdam ngayon ni Sizzle Rosario? Kasi bihira siyang gamitin this season. Not sure kung ginamit na siya nito ni Coach Mia, but it's been rare na ipasok siya. So ngayon, masusubukan itong batang to.
Yes, and kailangan din, correct naman yung sinabi ni Coach Mia na kailangan ng isang magandang pasa para maka-play and maka-atake sila ng maayos. And also, para din matulungan itong si Rosario pagdating sa setting.
Ayun, makakatulong yan sa JRU. Error on the serve para kay Rica Blanca after a couple of aces. Ana de Guzman and Princess Manarang coming in for Mapua. So doble palit for Coach Aying Esteban. Upo muna si Rica Blanca at si Gohol. Del Pilar will start. Last time she was there was a few rallies ago. She scored 3 straight aces. That's another good serve from her. Better pickup though. Babiera is activated from the middle.
First point for Babiera. Ang ganda naging setup.
That's a quick attack from Babs Babiera. And Roxy De La Cruz now. Si Shanine Preta comes in for the first time. Isa sa mga rookie attackers neto ni Coach Mia, who comes off the bench. De La Cruz to serve. Ooh, that one went straight to the net. So bubuksan ang pintuan para sa JRU dito.
Medyo mababa lang yung pag-release niya sa bola. That's why umabot dun sa tape, dun sa white tape.
Nakabawi kaya dito ang JRU. Frian. Oh, too strong for Garcia. Not the usual set for her. Bit of a transition play para dito sa Lady Cardinals yun. So dalawang sunod. JRU down by 3. Casareno still serves. Garcia, better set. Nakabangan ni lalong isip. Let's tip to the other side. Oh! That's a point for Mapua. Babs Babiera with the point. All right, so here is an injury report mula kay Julia Ong. Let's hear it from her on the status of Inday Laurente. Julia, go ahead.
Kanina nakita natin ang pagbagsak ni Inday Laurente nung kinuha niya ang bola. Ngayon naman daw ay niyeyelo lamang ito kasi iniinda niya yung pasa na natamo niya mula doon. Yun lang, balik sa inyo, Martin and Shola.
Maraming salamat, Julia. Glad she's okay and you know she might be able to come back in the match. Magkatapos silang yeluhin yan.
Wala pa whistle.
And buti na lang, pasa lang yung nakuha niya. Galing doon sa pagbagsak. Kahoy kasi yung tinamaan niya.
Mas grabe yung momentum niya.
Pag nasa momentum ka nga din naman kasi, wala ka nang paki dun sa paligid.
Correct.
Diba?
Dire-diretso ka na. Patara. Mapua with a 4-point lead. Frian is denied. They go to Ted Guzman. Sa likod si Deala. Oh, Preta. Back to Frian they go. Still checked. De Guzman. Down the line for Hannah De Guzman.
Kita niya, ang laki-laki lang ng space doon sa line.
Grabe yung pancake na yon ni Princess Manarang to keep the ball in play.
Ganda ng silip. Ganda ng silip.
Ito din doon sa kanto. Babs. Nice serve. Back row hit para kay Dayami. Did not work. De Guzman. Nicole had to adjust. Preta. De La Cruz with a pop-up. Frian. Alonia tracks it down. The slide tip works for Kring Batara.
Grabe yung depensahan na meron dito sa ating dalawang koponan. Talagang walang bababa. And also yung mga libero din, nakikita nating gumagalaw talaga sila.
Yeah.
Lahat ng bola na kahit minsan nga kahit hindi na sa area nila.
Correct.
Kinukuha pa rin.
Naabutan. Ako, masakit yan. Rosario with a service error. That will help Mapua restore the 5-point lead at babalik sa ating laban si Rica Blanca at si Gohol. So back to the bench for Manarang and De Guzman. De Guzman, quality minutes for Coach Aying. Ito si Trixie. Sharp serve. Deala punches that one through.
With the help of the net. Napalusot niya yung atake niya dito. Sa mga blockers.
We were talking earlier off-cam na dito ka sa rookie na to, talagang nakikitaan mo ng potential.
Yes, and parang kahit anong iset mo sa kanya, talagang wala siyang pake kung ma-block siya or ma-block net or mag-outside yung atake niya. Basta palo lang siya ng palo.
At kargado yung mga atake niya. Here's Bautista. Checking in to serve.
It's Angel Bautista.
19 serving 23 if you're JRU. Error should be minimal. Rica Blanca. Oh! Napaganda. Para kay Raisa Rica Blanca. Pinansya niya yung bola dun eh.
And pinatama lang niya dun sa kamay ng mga blockers. Para lang humaba yung atake niya at mahirapan itong Lady Bombers dumipensa.
At set point na para sa Mapua. 24-19. Frian with a nice serve. Track down though by Rosario. Mapua can end set one here. Nicole. Oh! That one bounced off the net. So makakahinga ang JRU. 2024. Uy, yun yung taon natin ngayon. Lang.
Napansin mo lang.
Oo, pansin ko na. 2024, oh. Bihira. Shanin Preta starts it up. Back set. Rica Blanca swings away and puts JRU away here in set number 1. Mapua striking first in the match. They needed to come from behind here, but ultimately they were able to secure the opening set. Pagbalik po natin, ikalawang yugto ng ating laban.